Yes. Start.
Guys, I wanted to talk to you about the most important topic, which is called confidence. Confidence is nothing more than the ability to imagine Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is behind me. Imagine the army of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is standing here and I'm talking like a coward. You need to give yourself a freedom to talk very bravely. You need to express yourself like you are going to be war. Fuck off this all the fucking garbage opinions that they are going to be judge you, they are not going to be judge you. Nothing else matter without expression. So that was the guy who was just recording me, but the reality is you need to express yourself in a way that you wanted to express yourself. We're born for freedom. So right now imagine if I'm the same knowledge and I'm talking about in this energy. Guys, let's go and conquer. Let's go and conquer. You understand? Knowledge does not exist. Only energies exist. So what you need to do is you need to increase the energy in a sense that will gives you the motivation to conquer the whole fucking Swaraj. Imagine how Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj talk in front of thousands. You need to imagine that part. Imagine Baji Prabhu Deshpande standing there in the ground where all the Mughals they are facing and they are standing like a mountain. How? Because Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is standing behind them. And I want you to talk in that same energy like I am right now, me talking in that same energy. It's not loud your voice, it means talking freely. You need to give yourself freedom. How? Falling down. Let judge by people, let embarrass more and more and more and more and more and more. That will give you the so much freedom. And they don't give a fuck what people think of you because nobody gives a fuck about you. And if they give a fuck about you, they are, imagine themselves as a Mughal. Okay? They are the Mughals. So imagine Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj in the crowd of Mughals. How they are actually acting.
Yes.
You need to act like the same way. If they are judging you, fuck them all Mughals. Fuck the mental Mughals. You need to express yourself. And at the end of the day, I wanted to tell you one thing, which is actually there is no such thing as people opinion. When you imagine Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj in the court of Agra, in the court of Agra, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, you need to roar like this. That's how you need to speak in front of every single video, that nothing can stop you. That's how I'm going to be treat and train other people also to speak in front of camera. The easiest way you can do it is to normalize it in front of 1,000 people, because you are go tomorrow in front of 1,000 people and they're judging you like a Mughals. So in that you need to put your middle finger inside of their mouth by training yourself from right now, because tomorrow the Mughals are going to be judge you. That's why I'm going to be tell you, speak like a lion, not like a dog. You need to give yourself a freedom actually to speak, because nobody fucking going to be judge you. If they're judging you, they are the mental Mughals. Fuck them. Do the same as Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj do to the Aurangzeb. That was the most important point of today's video. That's why I'm just love to record it here. It's because of nobody fucking listening to me. If they are listening to me, still it does not matter. It's because of I'm imagining Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj inside of me. So right now I'm just going to be give a hand over. This guy come inside of you, in front of you, and talking about something, giving you something knowledge that will makes you so much knowledgeable or a little bit known or little bit confidence, because we are born to conquer the whole fucking Swaraj. Don't let this motherfucking invisible Aurangzeb to invade you. So guys, this is how you talk in front of camera, because my energy converted into your. So the thing is, I need to speak 1,000 times more louder than someone is here is listening me. I did not give a fuck first of all. That is the way of talking in Swaraj, and we are playing the game of Swaraj, okay? Did not settle for Aurangzeb circumstances. Aurangzeb circumstances means what people think of me, what if they are not like me, what if they like me. Fuck them, does not matter. Fuck the internal Mughals, fuck everyone. Just speak for the Swaraj, speak for the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. This is how you master the confidence. That's how I'm just mastering the confidence. Imagine Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj behind me. This was the invisible stage and I'm just giving you the speech. That's how. And that guy is going to be record. I'm just going to be recording him right now, and maybe he will get the idea. You got the idea and how you is going to be speak, bro.
Yes.
Now train yourself to speak like in this way.
Yes,
not
got
in this way. Some cowards are watching you and you are just dominating by them. Cowards. They are the Mughals. Fuck them. And roar like a lion. That was the guys. I'm going to be post this video and you will get my energy and start fucking living for the Swaraj. Fuck this internal Aurangzeb.
Yes.
Imagine Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj standing at the fort of Agra and looking the Aurangzeb like, nothing can bother me, nothing can stop me. You are the motherfucking bitch.
Yes.
So, show your middle finger to the Aurangzeb and just speak like a Maratha. You are the warrior of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. You are the army of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. I
Yes.
promise you, conquer their mental Swarajya. I am not going to be asleep until I conquer your mental Swarajya.
Yes.
Fuck Aurangzeb. Peace, bro.
Okay.